having triplets.
Check.
Surprise.
Got car.
Their house was built on burial ground. Surprise. Your car needs a new transmission. How about no more surprises?
Hey, hold on.
Now you can get all the online trading.
Pull over.
without
Why
any
should I?
surprise fee.
You know, give me a good reason why I should pull over.
It's not rocket science.
Because you're going too fast. Oh,
From TD Ameritrade.
well. I am in a Corvette. I can't help that. Oh, yes, you can. No, I can't. Yeah, man. Man, you want to go? Well, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to catch me. Whee! Way up high. Okay. Maybe that wasn't my intention. But here we go. Oh, don't flip over. You know you shouldn't flip over. Let's see, burn out around you. I'm going to burn out around you. Oh, yeah. Burning out around them. Oh, yeah, like a boss. Oh. Oh, okay, that was good. And that had to be good.